Hello everyone and welcome to another video by FunnelKit. In this video, we're discussing the Tripwire funnel. So what is exactly a Tripwire funnel? Well, a Tripwire funnel essentially starts with a Tripwire offer, which is an irresistibly priced low dollar offer, preferably under $50, that your prospects cannot refuse. And well, it converts cold visitors into buyers. So these people may have never ever done business with you before, but just because your offer is so irresistibly priced that they just can't help getting in. It's based on the popular technique called foot in the door. So the idea is to get people to do a micro commitment, which is by buying your low dollar offer, and then once they're in, well, you can sell them more stuff. It could be either through your automated email sequence, or it could be right off the bat through your order bump on the checkout page, and one-click upsells, which are post-purchase upsell offers that users can accept with a single click after completing their initial purchase. Well, so Tripwire marketing is a great way to not just build your email list, but also to build a list of buyers. And mind you, these are high quality list of customers who are very likely to do more business with you. So in this video, you will learn what a Tripwire offer is. We look at some brilliant real world examples for digital products as well as physical products. So no matter what you're selling, Tripwire marketing is for you. You'll also see how to set it up in your WooCommerce store, and that too the no code and easy way. Finally, we look at some best practices to make your Tripwire offers convert high. That and more is jam-packed actually into this video, so keep watching. Now, to understand what a Tripwire offer is, you need to know about the foot in the door technique. It's a persuasion technique which was studied by two scientists from the Stanford University, Jonathan Friedman and Scott Fraser. So what they did was that they divided women residents into two groups. One group received a small request, which was to answer some questions about their soap usage, and the other group did not. Next, what followed was that they were asked if they could allow a group of men to enter their house and review the products they owned. Turns out that the women who were subjected to this little request, which asked them to answer a few questions about their soap usage, well, that group had way higher acceptance rate and they allowed men to enter their houses and review the products they owned than the other group, which was straight away asked for the entry of the men to review the products they owned. So there was no micro commitment. They weren't asked any question prior to being made this huge request. To conclude, well, this means that whenever you want to make a big ask, it's always good to make a small ask first, followed by the bigger ask. Chances of people accepting your big ask increase manifold. Well, this is the technique that Starbucks applied in a brilliant way. This is how they used Tripwire marketing. So they introduced a very, very small size. It's the smallest size available, called Pico, and they advertised this offer on their door front, getting people to come in and check, well, what is the smallest size all about? Can we have our coffee in that smallest cup? Because this is their way to get their foot in the door. So that's what people did, and they went in and had coffee in that small sized cup. But guess what? They ended up complementing their purchases with brownies and sandwiches, which basically meant that even though Pico was a loss leader, Starbucks did end up making more money on the back end. This is what Tripwire marketing is all about. So your Tripwire offer is irresistibly priced. It's an attractive offer that is meant to bring those people who have never done business with you before. So a cold audience, essentially. Next up, let's look at some real world examples. So this example is for digital product sellers, and well, this is from kimgarst.com, and this is available on her website throughout the year, so you can buy it anytime that you don't. It's an on-demand training, and it promises you to create your first digital product in 7 days or less. So again, it's a Tripwire offer, and well, it's advertised pretty well, as you can see. Well, what you exactly get, which is the digital product, how you can access it on a tablet, while you're on the go, on a mobile, on your desktop, and so on. Well, what they get is shown. Lock in this low price today. So consistently, the fact that it's a low price, it's easy to enter her funnel is mentioned, right? And of course, then you have some testimonials. These are some bonuses which actually make the deal incredible and also quite irresistible. Finally, here is the price of the offer, which is $47. So originally priced at $197, it's actually struck through to show a low price of $47, so you can get started instantly. Well, as you can see, here is the order bump. So that was the pico size, but then here are the brownies, the sandwiches to complement your purchase. And of course, this is a $37 template bundle, which one can just add to their order by simply clicking this toggle, or it could just be a one check on the box, and there you go. Along with the Tripwire offer, you've got another additional offer. So there you go, already making profits through the order bump on the Tripwire offer. Now, this is the next example, and it is for physical products sellers. So, if you are selling physical products, you could create like a 30-day supply or a sample pack or a variety mix, anything that you could call it. The idea is to get people's feet through the door, as you already understand. So they've got 3 flavors and they've put it together in a variety pack. And well, look at this. The offer price is advertised up front. So it's right there above the fold. You do not even have to do a single scroll to be able to see the offer price, because that's what they are leading in with. It's the offer price, right? So you've got, again, this is less than $1 per day. So the fact that you can get into their funnel at a very, very low price, and the fact that it's a very affordable offer, is what is sort of highlighted through this sales page. And again, when you kind of move on to the checkout page, you can see, well, here are the order bumps, which can be added with one click on the button. So there's a shipping assurance, and there is an 18-ounce clear hydrant bottle to mix your variety thing, your sort of your flavored hydrant with the water or whatever. So they've got a sipper here, and again, you can add this with one click on the button, and this is on the checkout page. So 2 incredible examples for physical as well as digital product sellers. Now, in this part of the video, you will learn how to set up your Tripwire marketing funnel. So we are in the backend now, and we have FunnelKit's Funnel Builder already installed and activated. There is a link in the description which you can follow to read the documentation on how to install and activate the FunnelKit's Funnel Builder. So there are 2 versions to it. One is the free version, which is available on WordPress.org, and one is the premium version, which is available to buy on the website, which is FunnelKit.com. All the links that you need to get till this point are in the description box. So once you have the Funnel Builder installed, here's what you need to do next. So we're in the dashboard right now, which is where you can see the performance for your funnels, and we shall go into funnels from here. So next, hit add new funnel. Now here you will see a bunch of sales funnel templates you can choose from here. So if you want a sales funnel, lead funnel, or just a store checkout page. So if you want to swap your default WooCommerce checkout page with a custom WooCommerce checkout page built using one of these custom templates, well, then all you need to do is go into checkout here. And if you wish to start from a lead generation page, also called a lead magnet, well, then this is where you head to. You could also create a funnel which starts off with a lead magnet. So you just ask for their emails and give them a freebie in return for their email addresses, and then show them a Tripwire offer. So that's possible too. For that, you will need a lead gen funnel. But we will be creating a sales funnel or a Tripwire sales page, followed by checkout and a thank you page. which is going to be very similar to the examples that I just showed you, the real world examples of Tripwire marketing that we just looked at. Okay, so here we will be using our latest template. It's called the Utopia. It's just been launched. So if you don't have it right now, that's okay. You're going to get it very soon. And if you still don't have FunnelKit's Funnel Builder, then go ahead and get it for yourself. Utopia will be part of the pack. All right, so we're previewing this template right now. This is the sales page. So this is a perfect Tripwire marketing sales page, and you can write some intro copy here, the headline, subheadline, followed by the price, because we do want to lead with the price. That is what makes this deal irresistibly good. All right, so this is where you state the benefits of the product or the offer that you have, some testimonials, and of course more details and descriptions. You can list the benefits, key ingredients, how to use in this accordion format. So this makes the sales page for your Tripwire funnel very interactive. There's more social proof, and well, if you want to include a section about you, why you founded it, or why it's the right product for your audience, then there you go, spotlight. This is the guarantee and finally buy now button. So the price has already been stated up here, and of course you can state it multiple times in the page. That is also something that we highly recommend you do that. Now this is the checkout page of the Utopia template. So this is where you've got the express checkout buttons for a faster payment. Then you can split this checkout process into more than one step, so a 2-step or a 3-step process. It really depends on what your requirements are. And this is where you have the cart information, which is what they're exactly buying, so they can see that at all times. If you choose to add an order bump, it will appear right here on the checkout page itself, and users can add the order bump to their order with a single check on the box. Then you have the one-click upsell page, which is an offer that you make post-purchase after the initial purchase has been complete. The idea is to make profits on the back end, right? So you start with a loss leader, which is a low-dollar product, but then you do make profits by showing them one-click upsell. Now, this is completely optional. If you want to eliminate it, you can straight away send them to the thank you page. So this is a very simple one-click upsell page. The beauty of the one-click upsell page is that it's very short and sweet, and it conveys the point very quickly. And this is the thank you page or the order confirmation page of your Tripwire marketing funnel. Happy with what you see? Let's just import this funnel. We'll call it the Tripwire marketing. So it starts with the landing page or the sales page for your Tripwire offer. This is where you would be directing your traffic to from your Facebook ads or your Instagram ads or any influencer affiliate network that you have. Followed by checkout page. Currently it says no product and no bump. We will be adding those. Then you have the one-click upsell, and of course you can add one-click downsells to your funnel if you like. And it ends with the thank you page. So all you now got to do is edit these pages and put your own text. Of course, remove the lorem ipsum and get rid of all of the extra stuff that you have. And that's it. Customize the template to suit your needs and your brand requirements. Edit the template. So as you can see, this is in Elementor, and you've got all these widgets here. This is the headline widget, and everything is fully editable. This is for the image. You can add your own image here. Of course, you can add your own price here. This is for the subheadline, and then whatever you like the button to say. This is where we've got the icon here, which is you can replace it with your own image or your icon. So this is a fully customizable template, and you can sort of make it, you can edit it further. And if you want to remove any section, all you have to do is hit the cross here, and that section will get removed. But of course, keep in mind that this design is, it's been designed by a professional designer. So it'll be best if you modify it, put your own text here and your own images here, and that's it. You'll be good to go. So once the landing page is edited, you can head straight to the steps tab here. So this is the steps tab, and you can now customize your checkout page. When you customize your checkout page, you will see that there are 5 tabs here. One is for design, which is where you can edit the template in Elementor or in any of your favorite page builders. Then you've got the product here. So we will head straight to the products tab and add our product. So this is where you add the product, and you can, of course, it needs to be added into WooCommerce. So I've just added a dummy product here, and you can just save changes, and you can configure any discount if you like, or set the quantity. And yeah, that's it. And you can add more than one product, of course. You can do that too. And when you head into fields, you will see it's very easy to customize your checkout form fields. This is where you can add more steps to your checkout page. If you want to make it a multi-step checkout process, you can do that too. So instantly when you do that, you will see the payment gateways moves to step 2 from step 1. And of course, you can remove any of the sections. These are called sections, and within sections, you've got fields. It's very easy to drag and drop and sort of rearrange your fields. So the first name comes first here, and it's very easy to remove any of the sections that you do not want. Right? You can save changes. Again, even the checkout page is professionally designed, so you can just customize the checkout form fields based on your requirements and go ahead with that. Further, under the optimizations tab, we've got a bunch of options for express checkout buttons. This is for phone field validation. You can sort of enable the phone field validation. You can enable Google address autocomplete and so on. We've got dedicated videos that show you how to customize the WooCommerce checkout page, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So I'm going to head straight into the design tab and show you how the checkout page template looks. Checkout page that we have for our Tripwire offer, and as you can see, this is called the checkout form widget, and this here is called the mini cart widget, and it's fully customizable as well. So for example, I'll show you a few customization options. If you enable steps here, you can see the steps. So this is a 2-step process, and you can enable tabs or breadcrumbs depending on what you like. And this is how you could change the heading and the subheading of your steps, and you could simply disable if you like, because we've got a nice big bold button here. Further, you can enable collapsible order summary. So this is how the collapsible order summary will show up. But here, since we've got the mini cart, it's quite a repetition, so we don't really need it. Hence, we will enable it only on mobile device. So this is how it will show up on a mobile device. Now here again, everything is customizable. You can customize all the styles and everything. And this is for the button. So this is the checkout button. So this is on the next step, and this is how they can return to the previous step. On the checkout button here, you can play with the button width. You can change the button, the icon on it. There could be a subtext which you can have, margin padding, and all of that can be changed as well. So that's within style, and this is from where you can change the typography, the font family, and so on. So this is the color that this is the color of the button. Yes, so this is how you can change the color of the button, which should match ideally your brand theme. And on hover again, you can change it to, let's say, a darker shade of red. So that's how it will be. So this needs to match your brand theme, whatever that is. And yes, once you're happy with what you see, you can always update it. These are the normal widgets that you have in Elementor. These are text. This is for image. This is the image widget in Elementor. You can eliminate any section that you do not like and add any section that you want here. So once you're happy with what you see, you can simply press update. Okay, so further you can add order bump here, and you could just call it bump for your Tripwire funnel, and that's it. That's how you can add bump, and then you can go and edit this order bump. Now here you'll further add product. So let's just add a dummy product that we have. All right, so let's just select a product and then you can configure any discount that you like. So let's offer a 15% off so that we can create a bit of an urgency and also scarcity. And then you just save the changes. From here, you can choose the display position of your order bump. It could be above order summary, below order summary, or below the payment gateways and so on. So we'll just go with the default position at the moment. Here, again, in design also, you can make the modifications to the order bump element. So this is how it is gonna appear, and it's just picking up the description from the original description of the product that you have. You can go here to choose skin and you could turn it into a toggle instead of a checkbox. So yes, and when you like what you see, you can just save it. This is the product image that it's fetching from the product page, the WooCommerce product page. And that's that. Let's go back. So you can view your checkout page now. And that is how the order bump will appear below the payment gateway. So they can just, when they hit the toggle, this item will get added to their order with just one click on the toggle. There you go. That is how it will be. Well, so as you can see, the price is missing for the order bump, but price and discount are the key. Well, that's what makes people accept or reject your order bump. So what you can do is that when you head to edit style, you will see the option to enable price. Just hit it and the price will get enabled and they will be able to see the discount. Of course, you can customize the way the pricing shows. So the font size and the color and everything is fully customizable as well. So I'm just going to hit refresh here. And on this next step, under the payment, there you go. The price appears in the order bump section because that is obviously very, very important here. All right, so that's that. Now, similarly here, you've got upsells and thank you page. You can customize these elements as well. And you have to go on edit and add product to your upsell page, just the way we did for bump. And that page is fully customizable as well. Same goes for the order confirmation or the thank you page. Just to show you, this is how the thank you page or the order confirmation page of your Tripwire marketing funnel will look. Of course, the default WooCommerce thank you page looks very drab, but this one can be completely customized and be made to look on brand. You can change your logo, you can change the colors here, and you will have a beautiful order confirmation page, and dynamically the details will be fetched to show here. So if they also accepted the order bump, that will show up here as well. So that's that. We learned about Tripwire marketing and how it works, how you can create an irresistible Tripwire offer and get people's feet through the door. You looked at how to create a customizable, a custom WooCommerce checkout page in order to sell your Tripwire offer, and also how to increase the average order value, which is how to also upsell them on the brownies and the sandwiches through the order bump and one-click upsells. We really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and of course there are more videos that are lined up, so do subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions about Tripwire marketing, how it works, how you can implement it in your business, how your WooCommerce store can benefit from the Tripwire marketing funnel, then please do leave them in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. That's me, Tavleen, and I will see you in my next video.